Okay, Jay, I want you to kind of help me explain how current flow happens to a device. So you have two wires, right?
Yeah, so there's two wires, one's positive and one's negative.
Okay.
So it comes from the battery positive and negative, and then it goes to the harness, and it goes down and back around, and then it has to have a path back. So when it comes back, it goes to the negative.
Okay. So if we're talking about current flow begins when we connect the positive and negative to a resistance that happens to be at the end of a pair of wires. In this case, it would be a fuel injector, right?
Yes.
So if there's a positive and a negative, current flows on both wires, which means that if we put our current clamp around both wires, like this, and there were actually current flowing through there, what would our current clamp read?
0.
Why is that?
Because there's a path to it and from, so they cancel each other out.
Inside the clamp.
Yes.
Okay, so how would we get a current reading off of an injector when there's a pair of wires?
You'd have to just put it around one of the wires.
Okay, so we'd have to open this up a little bit, put the current clamp around half of it, just one wire, and as long as only one wire is inside the clamp, then we would see current flow.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why when you do current clamp readings, you can't go around the entire harness, right?
Yeah.
Because the pair of wires that cross through the clamp
Would cancel
cancel each other out. Okay, good job.